desire for authentic reconnection with nature and real-world communities is growing, leading humanity to rediscover our true selves, inner resilience, and our transformative potential. The universe, like our sun, is not lifeless, but something that is born, lives, and will eventually die. So let us remember that from the smallest microbe to the grandest galaxy, there is a consciousness connecting everything in the evolutionary flow of life. Our detachment from this flow has harmed our planet, causing physical and mental imbalances, global warming, and ecosystem contamination. Human sentience stands at an evolutionary crossroads. What will be our next adaptation?